Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today it's raining in my shop. I don't have a microphone, so sorry if the sound isn't great. Just wanted to make one quick suggestion on epoxy river tables. See a lot of people do them. They've gotten really popular. There's a lot of epoxy charcuterie boards, all that stuff. Here is a tip that I've learned about doing epoxy river tables. And it's the best tip that I can give you. That's stop doing them. Burn them. They're disgusting. They're a trend. I don't like them. I don't think it's like real woodworking. It might be controversial. So it is what it is. Stop making epoxy river tables. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. I think there's going to be a big heap of river tables in the dump one day because they were a fad and a trend, and a lot of beautiful, incredible wood that could have been fine furniture or just beautiful live edge tables are going to be a waste because you mixed plastic and wood. I'm not against, making a little epoxy, like filling in some voids and stuff like that. Like, don't get me wrong, I use that sometimes. But can we just stop with the epoxy river stuff? It's gross. So there's my 2 cents, and hopefully that helps you in the future with your epoxy table. You just never do them again. Thank you.